Alrighty, welcome to fixing our base mesh. Remember on our last lecture we saw there's this opening going on over here. So I'm going to go back to object mode, select the space over here and press edit mode. And what we just need to just merge these in the center. Luckily we have this mirror modifier and the clipping on. Clipping is where when these meet, it will just merge them together, as you can see. Go to the wireframe mode, go back to solid mode. I can merge these ones also. You see it's merged and this side. Now I just do this for the rest and come this way, grab this guy, push them to the center, come back this side, I'll push them to the center, and now this guy, shift H, alt H I mean. So if you go back to object mode, if you want to view this alone, if you click the object, press shift H on your keyboard, you can isolate it. Go back, press tab to go back to edit mode, and I can select these verts again. And you just merge them in the center. Now I can't select the inside one. I need to go to wireframe mode, press Z. So I can select this vert and go back to solid mode and merge this one over here. Let's do this for the side again. Merge them. And for our tail, like that. Just gonna merge them together. Probably need some extrusion going on here, but we'll see at the bottom. Surely select this vert, push it to the center, and I'll just need some extrusion going on here. So if I press 2, if I select this guy or this loop, if I shift click, I can press E to extrude. And now I've just extruded everything. Go press 1 to enter point selection. Just move this to the center. Select these 2 points. Press M to merge at the center. So you've merged everything. And just click this guy. Press G. It will just automatically merge. Press G. Now we just need to close this hole. Very easy. Go to edge selection, press 2 on your keyboard, click this edge and this one, and press F to fill everything together. Now we've closed everything. Our mesh is almost watertight. Like now we close our base. If you want to see everything again, press shift H. We'll go back to object mode and press shift H. You can be able to see all our thingies. Oh, lastly we left the face over here. So go back over here, go back to tab. This is pretty much easy. Select these faces, press E again to extrude. This will just merge at the center. Press 1, select these verts. Let me just zoom in over here. Just this one first, press G, just move it outwards. Select these 2, click and drag, press M to merge at the center. Same works for this side. I'm going to select, press 2, select the edges, E to extrude, G to just merge everything together. Press 1, select the faces, the vertices, merge M to merge at the center. Moving a bit more faster now, sorry about that. And press 2, select these 2 edges, E to extrude, G just merge the center. Press 1, select these 2 verts, press M to merge at the center. Now you should have everything all closed up like so. We will have a problem over here, so I'll just push this, press G, just push this outwards before we face any issues, like going further, as you can see. pretty much prefer having this like so. So we have everything as a base over here. So this is it for our lecture. Don't forget to save. Press Ctrl Command S on your keyboard. Save the Boyok file. So yeah, thank you again, guys. This is it for the lecture where we were fixing some issues that we came across over there. And a quick tip before you go: if you go down to this drop down menu over here, if you go to where is this one? I'm thinking I'm at the wrong side. Sorry, this one over here. This drop down over here. Click this box and this drop down, and then go to face orientation. When it's blue, this is the faces are facing outwards, which is what we need. If I go inside, if I can be able to, you would see some of the faces will be red, which that's what we need. So if you having all your faces blue like this, then you're on the right track. I don't know if I can select. Let me press tab, see if I can select this, and probably just show you guys press tab, edit mode, mesh, normals, flip. See, now they change color again. So I'm gonna flip them again. Now they change color. So just make sure that you have everything blue. Then you can hide this again. Face orientation. Just make sure when you're modeling like this, grabbing vertices from every angle. Yes, we keep on checking if we have everything lining up like that. So again, thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys in the next lecture.